Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where creativity meets possibility. If you're an animator, designer, or just someone curious about bringing your ideas to life in 3D, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to access and use tons of free 3D models for your animation projects. Yes, you heard that right, no subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure creative freedom. Whether you're working on a short film, a game, or a school project, these resources can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. So grab your coffee, fire up your favorite animation software, and let's explore the best places to find high-quality 3D assets that won't cost you a dime. Let's get started. First, press Window key and search 3D Viewer. Open this 3D Viewer app and press OK to enter this app. The interfaces look like this. OK, look on top bar 3D library and click on it. Now, comes the exciting part: how to actually use these models in your animation workflow. Step 1. Save your model from 3D Viewer app. If you're using the Windows 3D Viewer app, open your model in the 3D Viewer. Click on the File menu or the Save As option. Choose a format that Blender supports, such as OBJ, FBX, or .stl. Save the file to a location you can easily access. These formats are compatible with Blender and preserve geometry and textures. Step 2. Import the model into Blender. Once your model is saved, 1. Open Blender. 2. Go to the File menu, gives Import. 3. Select the format you saved your model in, for example, wavefront opening parenthesis .obj or FBX opening parenthesis .fbx. 4. Navigate to your saved file and click Import. 5. Your model will appear in the Blender viewport. You can now scale, animate, or texture it as needed.